Okay, y'all, let me show y'all what we doing right now, because what was it, a few days ago you guys saw us putting together the Easter stuff, and now we over here putting together a bed. Aiden's bed, by the way. Let me show y'all. Hopefully y'all can't see too much of my fat. But yeah, anyway. So this is I'm putting stickers on the little bed, because it came like the little stickers to stick on the bed. This bed was only $60. I know I wasn't vlogging and stuff, doing YouTube when we got Shiloh's bed, but we put that one together too. Which is crazy to me, because Shiloh's bed is more expensive than this one. But I mean, I guess it makes sense because his bed was wooden, right? But it was so plain. You know, to me, this is definitely giving more of a girly girl bed. So it's cute. Y'all, I have so much footage on my camera that I'm gonna be able to make probably 2 vlogs out of all the footage I have. And I didn't even end the last vlog. So you're gonna be seeing this after. And it's not gonna have me, I'm not gonna end it. It's just gonna be, you know, the end screen, because I forgot. But yeah, I'm done, y'all. I had messed up the bow. It had ripped in half. So, I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see it?
Alright, let's see it.
Oh, yeah. But let me show y'all now. Trying to get too much on my butt in the camera.
Hmm?
Why is not going in there?
Are you sure?
Oh, other way, right? No, that won't make sense.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Try this one. Try this one.
Yeah, I'm saying I might get the wrong one. Yeah.
Can you lay at the table?
Okay, hold on. Let me pick y'all up.
I want it all laid out so I can screw it in and stuff.
And that's okay.
The last touch is on you, my dear. Do it in.
Y'all can hear me watching the Jamie Foxx show. Shiloh.
Yeah, you want to show them that before you open the door? They're him cutting the grass.
Oh yeah, Kim got the kids this little lawnmower. Let me first show y'all. Hopefully he's still cutting the grass, because we need the grass cut, okay? Let me show y'all. Okay, let me show y'all. It's about to start raining, Dad. Let me hurry show y'all a little more. I mean, this thing is pretty small. to me for Shiloh, but I mean, it's cute and he like it. It shoots out bubbles, y'all. But he gotta push it forward for it to shoot out the bubbles. Can y'all see it? Yeah. He seems to be enjoying him still. Charlotte, Mama about to make you come in a little bit.
Mine.
Huh?
You didn't go that pink thing or what?
Pink what?
The pink thing.
The little shaft?
Yeah.
No, it's in that box.
It's supposed to go right here. So I guess so the bed don't be. Well, I mean, ain't that what that means? I guess it's not supposed to be right on the ground.
Oh, I guess so.
Does this go this way or this way? Oh, no, I'm tripping. Duh. No, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Oh.
I'm assuming that this is supposed to go like this so it fit in the holes. Look, you getting rained on. You didn't got rained on. Come on, let me take your shoes off. There you go. Oh, snap. Did I leave his lawnmower out there?
Yeah.
Damn.
But it's on the porch.
It looked like one of those things.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
It's going like storm outside. Stop, Shallow, baby. You got it? You got it?
Are you gonna get in the camera somewhere? Minnie Mouse.
Aiden, come here.
We got the new sheets and pillows and everything, y'all. She has to poop.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh! Yeah, go do your thing, girl. Go, Charlotte!
See, this is why low key. You know what? I'm not gonna lie, Jazz. On
Wednesday, y'all.
On Wednesday, I'm gonna buy him one of these because he be wanting to do stuff like this, and he can't do stuff like that. And remember, didn't I break his bed sitting on the end of it? And
Yeah.
It came through. That's what I thought. I broke his bed. But look, hey, look, he's showing you. You can do whatever you need to on this. Jump up and down on you, flop on and do all that. Look, man. She gone. Look. Aiden bathing. Boom. just like that.
Aiden, baby. Come here. Come in here. Go, Shiloh. Go, Shiloh. Oh. Come on. Good time. Are you? Yeah, that's your lawnmower. You're right. I forgot you did to bring it in the house. You don't need to go in the garage with that. I mean, of course, sheets are going to get put over the mattress, but still.
Yeah, Charlotte, baby. Yeah, we done with the lawnmower for tonight. Tomorrow, you can go back out there because the grass will go back for it to be rain.
But yeah, y'all, that's what we got going on. I guess I'll show you guys later when we put the sheets and stuff on the bed. My hair looking a little crazy because I worked out earlier. So yeah, the roots are getting puffy. Oh God. Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys what Aiden's bed looked like, because I realized I never took a photo or video of it, so I'm filming this on my phone and I'm gonna insert this into the vlog. So yeah, and there goes Shiloh with food in his mouth. Okay, their room is not fully finished at all, okay? So take that in mind. But yeah, we have boxes still in here. Shiloh's bed, look at him. He hasn't made up his bed, so it's okay. But yeah, guys, this is the finished bed. Shiloh can sleep in his bed every night. Aiden, no. She takes naps in her bed, but she does not sleep in her bed at night. So she's still sleeping with us, but other than that, it's coming along good. We just got to get these boxes out of here. Get a little cuter in here for sure. And yeah, that's about it. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, no, I can't say welcome back to the channel because I already started off this vlog, so that doesn't make sense. But good morning, y'all. It is, my watch did, but it is 8:18. Today is April the 6th, and today is the Autism walk. Autism Speaks. We were here last year. If you guys remember that video. So yeah, guys, what, another year? Yeah, we'll see how it is this year. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys there.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round forever, searching for something that could never get replaced.
You saw the people? Well, you know, up there, whatever. Okay, guys, we made it. I look crazy because my hair is blowing everywhere. It is very windy today. Yeah, it's a lot of people here. Here we go, guys. Let me show y'all. People are already walking. It's okay, Dad. don't know. Lord. Oh, it smells like dog shit. Oh, I just said that in this video. Oh, Lord. Meaning the one I'm about to put on Instagram. We out here celebrating today, y'all. Oh, my hair looks crazy. Y'all. Oh Lord, my hair's starting to look crazy. Yeah.
They said we gonna get off.
You okay, Dad?
No, no,
I don't know if y'all can see how far. I don't think I told y'all, but there's a 1K walk going on and 5K. We doing the 5K. Walk, run. Y'all get what I mean. Hey, you keep doing that. You're funny. You are so funny. Okay, guys, we're almost at the finish line. Okay, it's somewhere on the other side of the parking lot. There goes the finish, y'all. We did that, y'all. 5K, y'all. We finished. We finished. We done? Thank you. Thank you so much. Here's Shallow. You want one, Shallow? Yeah? You can have this. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You want to put it around his neck? Yay! Okay guys, like I said, we're done. My hair looks a mess now. I don't know why I came out here with it curled, but it was a good time. We didn't do the activities this year. We wanted to actually do the walk/run or whatever. So yeah, good time, y'all. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. As usual, guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I'll speak to you guys soon. I can film soon. I guess I thought I was gonna end the vlog. I had already ended the vlog, y'all, but I'm gonna show that after because we actually staying a little longer. Y'all,
so I'm going to turn the mic on the stage over to Caitlin Schenkel.
You want to have a seat somewhere? That way we ain't sitting on it now.
You want to sit at that little picnic table?
Yeah, we can. That boy Chuck E. Cheese did this year. He wasn't there last year.
Huh? What? I don't see why not. Okay, y'all, we just, like I said, we was just coming out here to look around for a little bit and, you know, see what activities they have this year. Of course, it's way on a bigger scale this year. It's a lot going on. I don't see any vendors here though, like last year. So I think it was mostly just about the walk this year. So yeah.
Why would you do that? You gonna knock it over all my hard work?
You don't. I would say he keep playing over.
This is how you stay. Why not? Yeah, just knock off all my hard work.
Yay!
Where is the bag?
I don't know.
What are beanbags at? That's what's supposed to go on.
Shiloh, the little wooden piece right there. Like I told you guys, I look crazy, but Shiloh is over there throwing that little wooden piece. I don't know if y'all can see him. And then Aiden and Jade are over here stacking the blocks.
I'm glad
A lot of people.
Real. I mean, Jazz might have a different estimate, but I swear it seemed like it was 1,000 people.
No, it was just a lot of people. I mean, you saw all three of these parking lots were filled.
Was they?
Is it because you want to get out?
Well, you ain't getting out right now, G.
You screwed yourself? Oh my god.
Yeah.